Shalom, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. In today's video, we'll be learning Hebrew through sentences. This method not only helps you expand your vocabulary, but also gives you a deeper understanding of the language structure, just like how children naturally learn to speak. So, without further ado, let's begin. To say, I want to learn Hebrew as a male, say, אני רוצה ללמוד עברית. I רוצה, want, singular male, ללמוד, to learn, עברית, Hebrew. And as a female, say, אני רוצה ללמוד עברית. To ask, when are you coming? When speaking to a male, say, מתי אתה בא? מתי, when, אתה, you, singular male, בא, coming, singular male. And when speaking to a female, ask, מתי את באה? מתי, when, at, you, singular female, באה, coming, singular female. To ask, can you help me? When speaking to a male, ask, אתה יכול לעזור לי? אתה, you, singular male, יכול, can, singular male, לעזור, to help, לי, to me. You would notice that what I actually said is, you can help me. And what would make it into a question is the way you say it. To ask, can you help me? When speaking to a female, say, את יכולה לעזור לי? את, you, singular female, יכולה, can, singular female, לעזור, to help, לי, to me. To say, pay attention. When speaking to a male, say, שים לב. שים לב. And when speaking to a female, say, שימי לב. שימי לב. To say, I don't have time for this. Say, אין לי זמן לזה. אין, there isn't, לי, to me, זמן, time, לזה, for this. To say, I have time now. Say, יש לי זמן עכשיו. יש, there is, לי, to me, זמן, time, עכשיו, now. To say, I prefer to sit inside, as a male, say, אני מעדיף לשבת בפנים. אני, I, מעדיף, prefer, singular male, לשבת, to sit, בפנים, inside. And as a female, say, אני מעדיפה לשבת בפנים. To say, I prefer to sit outside. As a male, say, אני מעדיף לשבת בחוץ. אני, I, מעדיף, prefer, singular male, לשבת, to sit, בחוץ, outside. And as a female, say, אני מעדיפה לשבת בחוץ. To say, come with me. When speaking to a male, say, בוא איתי. בוא, come, singular male, איתי, with me. And when speaking to a female, say, בואי איתי. בואי איתי. To say, I promise. As a male, say, אני מבטיח. אני, I, מבטיח. Promise, singular male. And as a female, say, אני מבטיחה. אני מבטיחה. To say, I live with my parents. As a male, say, אני גר עם ההורים שלי. אני, I, גר, live, singular male, עם, with, ההורים, the parents, שלי, of mine. And as a female, say, אני גרה עם ההורים שלי. To say, I have a Hebrew lesson today. Say, יש לי שיעור עברית היום. יש, there is, לי, to me, שיעור, lesson, עברית, Hebrew, היום, today. To say, I need to leave now, as a male, say, אני צריך לצאת עכשיו. אני, I, צריך, need, singular male, לצאת, to get out, עכשיו, now. And as a female, say, אני צריכה לצאת עכשיו. To say, I'm planning to go there tomorrow. As a male, say, אני מתכנן ללכת לשם מחר. אני, I, מתכנן, am planning, singular male, ללכת, to go, לשם, to there, מחר, tomorrow. And as a female, say, אני מתכננת ללכת לשם מחר. אני מתכננת ללכת לשם מחר. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, press like and subscribe so you will be the first to know when I release more videos.